All right, we are live. Yes, okay. I'm just going to announce my stream first. Give me a moment. How do you use Twitter? Twitter. There we go. A link to this live stream. Let's see where we have that. I hope this works. There we go. And there we go. Now Twitter knows. Okay. YouTube is looking weird, but I hope it works. Let's get started. And the coffee is still hot. Yes. Okay, where were we? Last time we made this initial choice. Fight button, and if I hover the button, it will get the face result from the click function of the button. Fair enough. And then it returns the face result. And I'm guessing that's happening here. So it should be initial choice dot update. Init choice dot update. Okay, looks good. And I'm guessing that the fight button sets the face result to 1. And that puts us out of this scope. So we need the case for 1. Oh. So stuff's gonna happen there. Alright. Sorry if I'm slow right now. Kind of thinking where I am. It's been 2 weeks, I think. Let's see. I need a class. So I've been making some notes while I've been working and stuff on what to do next. So I need a choice class. And it's the result of like selecting a move or selecting an item or running away or switching hero mon. Whatever you choose, it lands under the choice class. So to make it simple, a move is a choice, an item is a choice, switching is a choice, running away is a choice. Let's see. Oh damn, the class names are really similar. That's pretty bad. I hope I can separate them. It's actually pretty bad. Initial choice is a really bad class name. It should have been initial selection, I think. But it's too late now, I think. It doesn't really matter as long as I can separate them in my head. Alright, so I've been noting that choice should have private, I guess, string type, and it's either a move, an item, switching, escaping. That's the type of choice you can make. So I've decided that the choice class has a move. Selected move. And I'll have to comment it out because I haven't made the move class yet. And also private item, selected item. Wow, when I think of it, there's selecting. I think there will be one more choice actually. Or will there? It's something I will add a lot later, so let's not dwell in it. Oh, it's a private int selected hero mon. So that's if I choose the switch, and private bool selected escape. And yeah, that's if I choose to escape. This one is false to begin with. Most of the time. No. Let's see. Public choice. And we're gonna have 4 constructors. One for each choice type. So first we have move, cell move. Oh. Let's do it like this. I think I did this wrong. There we go. Public choice. Move. Cell move. Selected item equals null. Selected hero mom. I'm not sure that an integer can be null. Let's put it at -1. I think that's the best one for this case. Selected escape equals false. That should be it. That's the first constructor, and then we have choice. If we have selected item, oh my holy, oh wait, this one is not made either. Sell item. Null. There we go. I could do this. I think this is the fastest way. Int sell hero mom. Put this to null. Bool cell escape. Or is it an empty constructor? No. Let's do it like this. Cell escape. Okay. Did I do anything more here? No. We're done with choice. Let's add a new class called move. I think this is gonna be tricky. This one has a lot of variables. Let's copy the library. Private int move ID. Private int pp. Private int accuracy. I'm seriously considering not using accuracy in this game. Missing moves is just, I don't know. quite... It feels like it's really impossible to balance a game around accuracy. I mean, you could play with only low accuracy moves in Pokemon, for example, and totally crush your opponent because the power of the moves is higher and you keep landing them. But on average, you're still gonna probably either lose more or win more than the opponents, depending on how much damage you deal on average. Let's see, private int priority. I'm not sure what kind of priority system I want. If I want normal priority, one step higher, like quick attacks and such, and then another step over, so 0 priority, +1 and +2, and then have -1 and -2. We don't need more, I think. I think the Pokemon games have like -6 or something on moves like Trick Room and such. I think it's -6. I'm not sure. Private string move category, and I'm going to note what that means. It's physical special status, so to make like a Pokemon reference so that I know what I mean with by move category. Int power. Effect ID. So I'm probably gonna have a list of different kinds of effects, like 10% chance to burn, for example, in a Pokemon game would be one effect. So if that's effect number 1, for example, then the move's gonna have effect ID 1, and then effect ID 0, meaning no effects other than dealing damage, I guess. Content. Let's see, contact. Yeah, that's whether your move requires that you actually touch the opposing Heromon. Did I say Pokemon before? Oh well. Private string type. And that's like fire, grass, water, whatever. Probably gonna have different names and a different setup of types. It's gonna be required, I think. And try not to be similar to Temtem as well. Public move. Int ID, int private, no, PvP. Int accuracy, int prio. String cat, I guess. Int pow, int effect ID, so FID. Bool contact, so cont. String TP. It's hard to make type short, but So this is all variables to represent the list of variables I have here. And yeah, PP is P, and accuracy is ACC, priority is prio, category, move category is cat, could have been move cat. Let's see, power equals pow, effect ID equals ID, contact equals cont, type, oh shite, equals TP. There we go. Is there anything more I can do? I don't think I can do anything more right here. Other than drink coffee. Maybe I should just do a test play, just to see if any bugs occur. See, does it work on the stream? It looks like it does. So, okay. I haven't made any highlights on the buttons yet, so it doesn't display when I hover over the buttons. And as you can see there in the output window, I have something to check what the phase is right now. So it's 0 until I click on fight. Yeah. Strange tests. Okay, let's go back to coding. We need move set. And let's borrow this library. Int max I can define that later. And private. No, actually, I think I want this to be public. List moves. Public move set. Move M1. Move M2. Move M3. Move M4. Alright. And by default, these are null. Everyone has at least one move, but in case it only has one, the other ones are set to null by default, so that I can loop int I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. Actually, I is less than max, and max equals 4. if... Oh wait. I need a temporary list of moves that are made just before this for loop. So list move temp list. I guess that works. And oh yeah. Temp list dot add m1 temp list dot add m2 temp list dot add m3 temp list dot add m4. I think this is bad. Maybe I should make an array instead. Whatever, we can do it like this. It should work. If temp list I isn't null, moves dot add temp list I. And we need public void add move. Let's see, moves dot add move. And replace move as well, in case you're full of him. Replace move. Int replace ID and move. Moves replace ID equals move. I hope this works. So the move on this place should be replaced by this move. I really hope it works. Let's see. Choice type is never used. Really? Oh yeah. This should be added on top on every constructor, I think. So type is obviously move in that case, and type is item in that case, and here type is switch, And here type is escape. Just going to is assigned, but its value is never used. Oh yeah, this one needs to be fixed as well. Moves equals new list move. There we go. Oh well. Let's see. We have the move. And we have the move set. Okay. Now I have nothing planned. But I know that we're supposed to make moves. Let's call it move choice. It's a lot of classes named choice, but now I've started the trend. I might as well continue it. Let's borrow this library. Alright, how did I make the last one? I need the move buttons. So I need a class for move button. Let's start by making them here. Move button. MB1. Okay. And let's see how I made the last one. Content manager and initializing the buttons with content manager and the button ID somehow. I'm going to need the move set from your active hero mod. Public move choice content manager CM. I'm going to change that later, I think. MB1 equals new move button CM and maybe a move set, moves 0, Yeah. MB2 equals new move button. I'm gonna need to make this move button soon. It's making me crazy. CM moves 1. MB3 equals new move button. CM moves 2. MB4 CM moves 3. All right, let's make the move button, otherwise I'm going insane. Thank you. Oh my lord. Beep bop. At least it's not going crazy now. Let's privatize them, I guess. There. And the last button had a button ID, a rectangle and a texture. This is going to be a little bit more complicated. It's going to need it's definitely going to need a rectangle and a texture, or does it? It needs a rectangle for sure, but maybe it's enough to give it a sprite font instead of a texture. And when it comes to ID, let's see, button ID. I don't think it needs a button ID, really. But maybe it needs a move rather than a button ID. And private sprite font SF, I guess. Private rectangle box. Public move button. Content manager CM and move M, I think. Move equals M. SF equals content dot CM dot load sprite font. Yeah, it should fall under UI. No, it should be its own folder. Add new folder. Fonts. Add sprite font. Move font. Okay, there we go. I'm an absolute fan of Rubik. I hope this one has Rubik. 14, that's too small, right? Should be at least, let's put it at 18. Yeah, this should be fine. I can close it for now. Fonts, move, font. Cannot apply indexing to an expression of a type moveset. Oh, yeah, that's true. Moves.moves. That sounds crazy. No, let's call this one moveset. It's gonna look horrible otherwise. Moveset.moves. Oh, wait. Okay, no errors so far. So far, so good. And box. Now this depends on which button this is. I could give it int pos and let's see, what's it called? Switch pos case case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Box equals new rectangle. Zero. Oh wait, I actually have a reference for this. Here we go. We have 0, 570. 0, 570. Sheesh. How wide is a button? Properties. Okay. Oh, there we go. 535 and 75. 535, 75. There. Okay, box equals new rectangle. And now let's go back to init button, 540, 570. So it's X position, Y position, width and height. And yeah, every button should be the same size. Makes sense. Zero and 645. And now we need 540 and 645. All right. One, two, three, four. No errors. Okay. What do we have more? We have oh yeah. We should probably have Let's go to the draw function and see how far we can go. So sb dot draw string. Oh wait, I need draw. What texture? I need to browse my images to see if I have like an empty button slot or something. Move frame, yeah. Then we need a texture after all. Texture equals cm.load. Texture 2D. Textures. UI. Move frame. Move frame should also be the same size. So I might as well say move texture dot width, texture dot height. It makes more sense. Okay, what's missing? Oh, it's here. Texture, box, color dot, let's call it white for now. It's gonna change later. sb dot draw string, sf, move dot, oh Now I know what's missing. Private string name and let's call it n, and then name equals n, dot, oh, it should be public. There we go. Move.name. This one is tricky. I think the position. Wait. This is gonna change later on, I think, as well. New vector2. And we're gonna need box.x plus box.width divided by 2. No. Let's just give it 25 pixels. Box.y plus 5, maybe. Oh. Basic black color now. And now we need public void draw here as well. Sprite batch sb. sb dot no wait mb1 dot draw sb, mb2 dot draw sb, mb3 dot draw sb, mb4 dot draw sb. All right. Okay. We need to bring the move choice to the battle. Here. And we're gonna follow init choice on every step. Team1 dot active ID. That's not enough. Team should have public list, I think. T1 dot hero mons. Active ID. Dot moveset. Okay. So that's a change we need to make for HeroMon. We need to give it a public moveset. I think we're gonna have to give it the moveset already here. Moveset equals move S. Does it say? Optional parameters must appear. Oh, wait. Moveset moves. Optional parameters must appear after all required parameters. Is it crying about the lowercase or uppercase? No. That's a better name anyways. Let's go to this one. Oh, okay, now I see. It's me being stupid. I should really read what it says. It was explaining it perfectly for me, really. We need to create moveset. And to do that, we need to create a move. Let's call it... What did we have for the last one? Punch, I think? Move punch. ID 0. Punch. And that should be the PP. Let's give it 40. 100 accuracy. 0 priority. Category, it's physical. Uh, 50 power. 0 in effect ID. True in contact. And TP was type. Let's see. Let's call it combat. It's the fighting type. Okay, So we have punch. And the rest should be null. And they should both have this moveset. Okay, we have 0 errors. But I know something is wrong. Yeah. Here we need face equals move choice dot update. That's what we need. This one takes a rectangle mouse box. And this means move choice needs public void update rectangle mouse box. Let's see. Is it still mad? Rectangle mouse box. Oh, right. Int. There we go. Let's make it a real function later. I just wanted to be able to run for now. And here we have move choice dot draw sb. I'm really curious to see what's missing right now. So I think I'm going to change the view so that you can see my test run. Index was out of range. I think I get it. I really do. Let's go back to coding mode. So out of range it says it's because moves does not have let's see, this move set does not have more than one move. Here when we initialize it, we give it the active Heromon's moveset. I actually want to play it again and see when it crashes. All right. I actually want to console.write line move set dot moves 0 dot name and see if it writes out the name of the move. It's really interesting to know. It says punch down there. That's absolutely perfect. This worked better than I thought it would. So, how do we deal with this? We could say that if move set dot moves dot count wait. Is less than 4. Or greater than 1. Else MB equals new move button CM null and 2. And if move set dot moves dot count is greater than 2. I hope this works. Feels like I'm doing this the wrong way anyways. Else, oh wait, MB2. MB3 equals new move button CM null 3. And if move set dot moves dot count is greater than 3, then MB4 equals new move button CM move set dot moves 3 dot no. There we go. Else MB4 equals new move button CM null 4. What happens if I try to play it now? It actually runs. That's good to begin with. See what happens when I click fight. Then it crashes because, let's see, something isn't set to an instance of an object. This one is for sure. Yeah, move null, that's true. If move isn't null, then this happens. Else sb.drawString sf and let's see, empty slot could just copy this. Okay. Oh wait, I don't have my coding view. There we go. I'm actually curious to see how it looks now. Ooh. As soon as I click on fight, it goes back to phase result equals 0. But when I hold down the button, you can see that it says punch, empty slot. Oh shit. Oh right. I accidentally clicked on item or whatever the button is there. This is pretty good. Something in the code, however, makes it go back to phase 0. And I suspect it happens here in battle. Maybe an init choice. Oh. Update. Oh, there we have it. Okay, I see. As soon as we get to phase 1, it says phase equals move choice dot update, which says put it down to 0 again. It makes sense. Let's return 1 instead. And let's call this one punch with capital P. Fight. There we have it. Isn't it beautiful? Except for the ugly space between the moves. But whatever. It's better than nothing. Yeah. Let's go back to coding mode. Move button needs more work. Just like init button, it needs a click function. I could copy it right away and then change it. This one is unnecessary. This one as well. Actually, we can go and remove this one. Okay. So click is basically when you click on it, you get a result. Phase result should be 1 by default, so that we don't get back to the first selection again. And here let me think. What does it say on init button? Just that, okay. We need to create a choice. Initial choice has an update function where it says if you hover over a button and you click, something happens. I'm gonna need this hover as well. It's a bool. Which should be false by default. And in its update function, it just controls whether it hovers or not via the mouse box. Okay. Rectangle mouse box. If mouse box dot intersects with box, then wait, there we go. Then hover equals true, else hover equals false. Oh. This is a weird way of doing it. I do realize. I'm going to pretty much copy this. If blah blah button dot hover is true, then result comes from click. If mb1 dot hover equals true, wait, I can do this on one row like I did before. Don't I have like a face result? Oh, it's because it returns an integer. Int face result equals 1, I think. Yeah. Oh, this pisses me off. Face result equals mb1 dot click mouse box. It doesn't take one argument. It does not. I do believe I need mb1.update. Like that. Okay. Two, 3, 3, 4, 4. Oh, there we go. Okay. I think something is wrong here. Int choice, no. Choice C equals null. And I think I actually need to do this and change. Let's see. C equals new choice. No. We need to go back to choice again. That's what we need to do. Choice. I don't know if it works. Maybe I'm thinking in a really bad way here. choice equals C, and phase result equals I think 10 is the one I want for battling. Update takes 1 argument. No, it takes 2. Okay. Choice. Yeah. Let's see. Combat phase. At combat phase. What happens when I test play it? It did work, I think, but it was so fast. As soon as I press down the button, this is such a common issue when it comes to coding. When you press the button and it goes to the next phase where you select move, it registers an already pressed button and it keeps going. So you always need in the code, you need to tell, you need to tell the code basically that if the button is already pressed, it doesn't register. It's kind of difficult. It depends on how you set it up, but right now I'm not sure. Because all the button presses are in different classes, it makes it a big issue. Private bool pressed. No. Hmm. Hmm. I think I'm onto something here. So it only controls the hover if the button is released. Yes. Perfect. Whew. I pretty much melted my brain there, but it worked out. At combat phase. Yeah, that was pretty good. Let's see. Okay. And I also want to make sure that and move is not null. I don't want it to consider it hovering over a button if there's a null move. Let's see. There we go. So if I go to fight, I don't want it to react on empty slot, but only on punch. So that's perfect. You know what? I think I'm satisfied here for today. I've made sure that you can select a move out of a move pool. Let's see, I'm just gonna check if I'm satisfied here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make 2 move sets eventually. What the heck, I can make it now. Move set 1. This in the game class, this is all gonna change drastically. This is just for testing this class, pretty much. So it's not gonna look like this and yeah, like this. I'm going to grab the move sets from maybe from text files or something, and the same with the hero mon. Move set 1. Let's make another move as well. Let's make the same moves I did last time. Whip. And whip is new move. Let's call the ID 1. Whip. 35, 100 accuracy, 0 priority, physical, 55 power maybe, effect ID 0. True. Is it really a whip? Is a whip a contact move? It depends on what you whip with, really. I mean, it's not like the Heromon has a weapon. So if it has whip, it's probably with its arms or legs or tail or whatever. So that makes it a contact move. And this could also... I don't think I want the normal type. So like the normal type from Pokemon. It's not very interesting. I mean, it has no real effectiveness other than being immune to Ghost. That's all it is to it. I might have it, but I'm seriously considering not using the normal type. Heromon 2 should have moveset 2. There. I could actually even give this one whip as well. Fight, and now I have punch and whip, and they both work. This is brilliant. I mean, we're not at the hardest part yet. Hardest part is the combat phase with the animations and going in the correct order, and well, the part where I got stuck last time was the switching. Actually, I got the combat to work okay, but the switching, it always kept crashing when switching and then selecting moves. So we'll see how we deal with that next time, maybe. I think it will take me 2 streams to catch up with my previous project. So another 2 streams. Hopefully game dev stream number 4 I will make the switching. Game dev stream number 3 is gonna be the combat phase. The first half of it, where I make sure that I can select a move which then leads to an animation and damage taking and that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And thanks for watching. Have a really great evening. Bye bye.